Hey guys, this is Suman from Marketing Wikipedia team. In this lesson, we are going to talk about website development and CMS. Before starting, let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen any big brand without a website? No, you can't. All the big boys have already come online these days because if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business, said by Bill Gates. So without having any website, it can be very difficult to win the game. Website is your first touch point with your prospect. Let's say your potential customer wants to know about your business. So what they will do? Are they finding your phone number? Yes, sometimes, but it is 2020. They are just typing in Google and start searching for the solution, right? So my point is the potential of web development is very huge. You just need to make a website which will represent you and your brand and solve the query of your prospect. Okay. So now, how to make a website? You can make website with coding and without coding. First, let's talk about the coding websites. If you want to become a full stack developer, you have to learn front end and back end development. The front end development is basically focused on website UI, UX, and all the things that are visible to you are the front end. I mean, it content, style, uh, colors, photos, right? Uh, for doing this stuff, must have knowledge about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and the other one is backend development. It is used for behind the scene activities. A backend developer focuses on databases, scripting of website, and the architecture of websites. Right. So they use MySQL, PHP, MongoDB, and any other languages. So the point is, if you don't want to write miles of coding and if you don't like coding like me, so congratulations. You can make amazing looking converting website on WordPress. Website development itself is a high demand skill to master in 2020. You can make your entire career on website development. Even you can earn more than 5.6 lakhs in India, and in outside USA it can be $60,000 per year. But it is advanced digital marketing course. You are going to make amazing website on WordPress. What is CMS? CMS stand for the Content Management System. It helps to manage your content on your website. Let's say you need a minor change on your website, like you want to change a particular blog post heading. If you have made your website through coding, it will be very difficult and time consuming to change it. If you don't know coding, so it can be very difficult to change. But in CMS, you can go to a particular post and change it in a couple of seconds, right? So actually, all the coding is made for you automatically in backend. So you don't need to write code. Okay. So now let's see some well-known CMS platform. There are lots of alternatives in CMS like Wix, Blogger, Google Sites, and many more, including WordPress. In Wix, you can make website in an hour. It is very easy to use, but have some problems. For me, I want better control over my website, right? The Blogger is one of the popular CMS next to WordPress, you can say, but you cannot make a dynamic website with Blogger. That's the problem. So when we are going to make a website, it must be converting website, right? So we are going to make our website on WordPress. Now, why WordPress? The 60% or maybe more than 60% of websites are made with WordPress. The many popular websites are made on WordPress. So WordPress is a big daddy. Trust factor. It's been around for many years. WordPress was launched 2003, and when people making website only on coding, by using WordPress, you can take in the initial step in improving security for your website because it is very secure, SEO friendly. The goal is every website owner is to rank higher on search engine, and WordPress is designed to be SEO friendly. By using WordPress, your website becomes very attractive to search engines. The main reason being the platform is written using simple complaints and high standard clean code. Now, easily customizable. You don't need any technical knowledge to build professional looking website on WordPress. It is very simple to make a website. No technical knowledge requires. I already said that. Now the plugins and themes. With those, you can make any kind of website. It's give you complete freedom. It contains lots of features which I'm going to discuss about in upcoming lessons. So that's why we are going to make our website on WordPress. Alright. In upcoming modules, you are going to learn about how to make converting website on WordPress. Right? So that's it for this lesson and see you in the next lesson. Thank you.